To ascend to the ultimate level in vacation luxury? Welcome to Ocean Manor, the first resort along the famed Galt Ocean Mile. The OM offers a 200-foot private beach, a rare amenity today. The new look and relaxed atmosphere have already caught the attention of the A-list, including pro athletes and MTV stars. Individually decorated, each penthouse exudes its own sophisticated style, with contemporary decor, spa-inspired baths, full state-of-the-art kitchens, expansive patios which showcase panoramic scenes of the resort's private beach and the dazzling city skyline. Ascend to the ultimate level in vacation luxury. To learn more, visit www.oceanmanor.com or call us at 800-955-0444.